What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. This is going to be short and sweet, straight to the point. If you have an E90, E92, or E93, you probably have some type of experience with these buttons. So here's my M3 with 2 out of the 3 buttons missing. I do have EDC. Not every M3 has EDC, so this may be blank for you. If you don't have EDC, that's their power button, and that is your, what is it, DSC? Your traction control button, basically. I lost this in a vacuum cleaner using it at a public car wash, and that one I think happened the same way. I don't even remember seeing it missing. It's just one day I looked and it was gone. But you can't just simply buy buttons to replace them, and you have to buy this entire module that comes out and plugs up back there, and it's $180. Me personally, I can't justify paying $180 because I'm missing 2 little plastic pieces. But on a forum, somebody mentioned they found a leak on Alibaba where you can actually order 3D printed buttons. So I got some replacement buttons. They're $20 each. I know $20 sounds like a lot, but it's better than spending $180. So $20 each. I actually bought all 3 of these buttons. I didn't need all 3, but I don't know what they're gonna look like. I don't know if they're gonna match, not match, and if the font's gonna be different. So we're gonna actually open them all up right now and take a look and compare them and see what they do. And then we're gonna put them in, and hopefully we'll be good and save 180 bucks. Save 120 bucks. So here's the packaging. They came in a nice little 10 box. So I guess they don't get damaged in shipping. So here's my power button. This is my traction control off button. And this should be my EDC button. All right, so here's the buttons out of the packaging. They don't look bad. I mean, the font looks like it's a little bit different, but I guess I'll go grab the EDC button that I still have and try to compare it and see what it looks like. But front and back, it looks just like the other button. So pulling these out are super simple. You just literally just pull it in there. See how easy it is to get lost? Now I lost it. So this is the EDC one out of the car. They look pretty similar font wise. I mean, this has kind of a, this could just have grease on it because I have touched it like over the years, and this is like brand new. So maybe that's why the color is a little bit darker and edgy, I guess, if you want to call it that. Kind of has like that wrinkled black look. But as far as the font's definitely different if you pay attention to it like in detail, but it's not very noticeable. Like if I just had just one button in there, I probably wouldn't have picked up on it. So if I just had 2 buttons, I mean, you'd really have to like pay attention. Without paying attention, I probably wouldn't have noticed. But I'm gonna switch all 3 anyways. So I'm adding the buttons now. Looks like they just hook at the bottom and then they just kind of go straight on. So trying to find a good hook spot and then just push it in there. Hopefully, I don't want to break it. It is plastic, so be kind of gentle. There you go. 1 button, 2 button, and 3 button. There you go, guys. They feel like buttons. So EDC works, as you can see. Traction off work. Traction is off now. Traction's back on. One thing doesn't work is the power button. Now I don't know if my power button just doesn't work, or maybe it's the sensor. I don't know. Can't seem to get my power button working, but the buttons are in. Interior does look better. It looks normal again. Like I said, I haven't had these buttons in 3 years. So for 20 bucks each, 60 bucks, better than 180, I'm happy. Actually, my power button does actually work. This light just doesn't work, because if I push the power button, you see the revs going up because I'm barely tapping the accelerator. It makes it more sensitive. So I push on it, push the button, and it's more sensitive. So power button's working, it's just not lighting up, but that's not the button. All right, guys, that's all I got. Like I said, it's short, sweet, to the point, and 20 bucks a button. You get 1 button, get 2 buttons, get whatever you need. I got all 3 just in case, and I think they look great. So for 20 bucks or 60 bucks altogether, I'll take that over 180 any day. Thanks for watching. Deuces.